Hi traders, welcome to my channel. We are starting our next stock review of the American stock market. It's the beginning on the week, so American Express try to reach the level 336, but I don't want to buy it till the level 362. Bank of America, I'm in a deal. Let's me move my stop loss in break even. I think it's going down now. But in any case, who are in a deal with me, we are earned some money. Caterpillar. Caterpillar looks like going down, but I don't like to sell Caterpillar. Let's wait what will happen. I don't like to sell it. It's very good share. So no deal for today. I don't see any deal. CSCO. I have set sell stop here. It isn't still relevant anymore, so I will delete it. And no deal for today. eBay, let's wait on the level 116.8 right here. When it's come here, we can buy. General Electric, or we wait here the level 379, or maybe it show us another movement. Maybe it go down. So after he gives us a possibility to buy it from the level 364. In any case, now there is not any deal. Let's wait. GILD, sideways trend, no deal. IBM, let's wait here on the level 312, right here. Netflix has reached level 70.98. We can sell Netflix, but today after the launch, if it's open under the level 70.98, when it's open under this line, we can sell it. In stop loss, I think will be here at the level 71.62. Now it's early to buy to sell. Okay, so the reviews are for today. Have a good trade. See you tomorrow.